Have you ever wondered what happens after you submit a request to a government office? Whether it's applying for a permit, requesting public records, or seeking assistance, there's a structured process that ensures your request is handled efficiently. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore how government offices process requests from the moment you submit your paperwork to the final resolution. Let's start by understanding why these processes are so important for transparency, accountability, and public trust. Government offices handle a wide variety of requests every day. These can range from simple information inquiries to complex applications for licenses, permits, or benefits. Some requests are routine, like renewing a driver's license, while others may require detailed review, such as business permits or building approvals. Understanding the type of request is the first step in determining how it will be processed and which department will handle it. Requests can be submitted through various channels. Many government offices now offer online portals, making it convenient for citizens to submit forms from anywhere. Traditional methods like in-person visits, mail, or even phone calls are still available for those who prefer them. Each channel has its own procedures and may require different types of documentation or identification. Once a request is received, it goes through an initial intake process. Here, staff check that all required information and documents are present. If something is missing, the requester may be contacted for clarification or additional materials. This step ensures that only complete requests move forward, saving time and resources for both the office and the applicant. After intake, the request is registered in the office's tracking system. This could be a digital database or a physical logbook, depending on the office's resources. Each request is assigned a unique reference number, making it easy to track progress and retrieve information later. Logging requests helps maintain accountability and ensures nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Once logged, the request is routed to the appropriate department or official. For example, a building permit application might go to the planning department, while a public records request could be handled by the records office. Proper assignment ensures that the right experts review and process each request, improving accuracy and efficiency. In the internal review stage, staff examine the request in detail. They check for compliance with laws, regulations, and office policies. This may involve verifying documents, cross-checking information, or consulting with other departments. The goal is to ensure that every request is legitimate and meets all necessary criteria before moving forward. Verification is a crucial part of the process. Staff may need to confirm the identity of the requester, validate supporting documents, or check the accuracy of the information provided. This step helps prevent fraud and ensures that only eligible requests are approved. Sometimes, additional background checks or interviews may be required. Some requests require input from multiple departments or external agencies. For example, a construction project might need approval from planning, environmental, and safety offices. Staff collaborate, share information, and sometimes hold meetings to ensure all perspectives are considered before a decision is made. After all reviews and consultations, a decision is made. This could be an approval, denial, or a request for more information. Decision-making is guided by established laws, regulations, and office policies to ensure fairness and consistency. The decision is documented and prepared for communication to the requester. Once a decision is reached, the office notifies the requester. This can be done through email, phone, mail, or the online portal, depending on the original submission method. The notification includes the outcome, any next steps, and contact information for further questions. Clear communication helps maintain transparency and trust. If a request is denied or the requester disagrees with the outcome, most government offices offer an appeals process. This allows the requester to submit additional information or challenge the decision. Appeals are reviewed by a different official or committee to ensure impartiality and a fair hearing. Every step of the request process is carefully documented. Offices maintain records of submissions, communications, decisions, and appeals. Good record keeping is essential for accountability, transparency, and responding to future inquiries or audits. Many offices use digital systems to store and manage these records securely. Many government offices seek feedback from requesters to improve their processes. Surveys, suggestion boxes, or follow-up calls help identify areas for improvement. By listening to citizens, offices can streamline procedures, reduce wait times, and enhance overall service quality. In recent years, digital transformation has revolutionized how government offices process requests. Online portals, automated workflows, and electronic signatures have made the process faster and more convenient. Digital tools also help reduce paperwork, minimize errors, and provide real-time updates to requesters. Protecting the privacy and security of personal information is a top priority for government offices. Strict protocols are in place to safeguard data, including encryption, access controls, and regular audits. Staff are trained to handle sensitive information responsibly, ensuring that citizens' data remains confidential. During peak periods, such as tax season or election years, government offices may receive a surge in requests. To manage high volumes, offices often deploy additional staff, extend working hours, or implement temporary workflow changes. These measures help maintain service quality and prevent backlog. Some requests require special handling due to urgency, legal requirements, or unique circumstances. For example, emergency assistance or court-ordered actions may bypass standard procedures. Offices have protocols in place to identify and prioritize these cases, ensuring timely and appropriate responses. Technology plays a vital role in modern request processing. From automated data entry to workflow management systems, digital tools help streamline operations and reduce manual errors. Advanced analytics can also identify trends in areas for further improvement, making government services more responsive and efficient. Well-trained staff are essential for effective request processing. Government offices invest in regular training programs to keep employees updated on new procedures, technologies, and regulations. Ongoing development ensures that staff can handle requests professionally and adapt to changing needs. Quality assurance processes are in place to monitor and evaluate how requests are handled. Supervisors may review samples of completed requests, check for compliance, and provide feedback to staff. This continuous monitoring helps maintain high standards and identify opportunities for improvement. Customer service is a key part of the request process. Staff are trained to answer questions, provide updates, and assist with any issues that arise. Good customer service helps build trust and ensures that citizens feel supported throughout the process. Transparency is fundamental to public trust. Many offices publish statistics on request processing times, approval rates, and common issues. Some even provide online tracking tools so requesters can monitor the status of their submissions in real time. Government offices must comply with a wide range of laws and regulations when processing requests. This includes privacy laws, anti-discrimination policies, and specific rules for different types of requests. Compliance ensures fairness, protects rights, and upholds the integrity of public services. Some requests involve highly sensitive or confidential information. Offices have strict protocols for handling such data, including restricted access, secure storage, and regular audits. These measures help prevent unauthorized disclosure and maintain public confidence. Many requests require coordination between different government agencies. For example, a business license application might involve city, state, and federal offices. Effective communication and data sharing between agencies are crucial for timely and accurate processing. If a requester is dissatisfied with how their request was handled, they can file a complaint. Offices have procedures for investigating complaints, addressing concerns, and making improvements where necessary. This feedback loop helps maintain accountability and service quality. Every request has a specific time frame for processing, set by law or office policy. Staff monitor deadlines closely to ensure timely responses. If delays occur, offices communicate with requesters and provide updates on the status of their requests. Automation tools are increasingly used to handle repetitive tasks such as data entry, notifications, and status updates. This frees up staff to focus on more complex requests and improves overall efficiency. Automation also reduces the risk of human error. While many offices are moving toward digital records, some still rely on paper files. Digital records offer advantages like easy search, secure backup, and remote access. However, paper records are sometimes required for legal or historical reasons, so offices must manage both formats effectively. Many government offices are required to provide public access to certain information, such as meeting minutes or budget reports. Offices have systems in place to manage these requests efficiently, balancing transparency with privacy and security concerns. Backlogs can occur when there are more requests than staff can handle. Offices may prioritize urgent cases, hire temporary workers, or implement process improvements to reduce wait times. Regular monitoring helps prevent backlogs from becoming unmanageable. Supervisors oversee the request process, ensuring that staff follow procedures and meet performance standards. They provide guidance, resolve complex cases, and handle escalations. Effective supervision is key to maintaining quality and consistency. Government offices regularly review their processes to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. By adopting best practices and new technologies, they can streamline workflows and deliver better service to the public. Continuous improvement is a hallmark of effective public administration. Government offices strive to make their services accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities or language barriers. This may involve providing materials in multiple languages, offering assistive technologies, or ensuring physical accessibility at office locations. Offices must be prepared to continue processing requests during emergencies, such as natural disasters or system outages. This includes having backup systems, remote work capabilities, and clear communication plans to keep services running smoothly. Processing requests efficiently requires adequate funding and resources. Offices must budget for staff, technology, training, and facilities. Resource allocation decisions impact the speed and quality of service delivery. Ethical conduct is essential in public service. Staff are expected to act with integrity, avoid conflicts of interest, and treat all requesters fairly. Codes of conduct and regular ethics training help reinforce these values. Clear communication with the public is vital. Offices use websites, social media, and public notices to share information about request procedures, deadlines, and updates. Effective communication helps manage expectations and keeps citizens informed. Government offices must adapt to changing laws, technologies, and public needs. Flexibility and a willingness to innovate are key to staying effective. Regular reviews and updates to procedures help offices respond to new challenges. Performance metrics help offices evaluate how well they process requests. Common metrics include processing times, error rates, and customer satisfaction scores. Regular measurement supports accountability and drives improvement. Looking ahead, government offices are exploring new technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to further improve request processing. These innovations promise greater efficiency, security, and transparency, shaping the future of public service. To recap, government offices follow a structured process to handle requests: intake, logging, assignment, review, decision, notification, and record keeping. Each step is designed to ensure fairness, efficiency, and accountability. Understanding this process helps citizens know what to expect and how to interact with public services. Public participation is vital for effective governance. By submitting requests, providing feedback, and staying informed, citizens play an active role in shaping public services. Government offices encourage engagement to better meet the needs of the community. In conclusion, the way government offices process requests is a testament to the importance of organization, transparency, and public service. By understanding the steps involved, citizens can navigate the system more effectively and appreciate the efforts that go into delivering quality public services. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside government offices.